Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a bill in Excel. Let's get started. First, open a new document. Highlight the cells. Then select Merge and Center. Enter the company name. And address in the designated cells. Organize the bill number, name of items, rates, quantities, and amounts. Adjust the layout and font sizes as needed. Select and apply borders to separate sections. Center align and adjust font styles for bill elements. Bold essential information for clarity. Enter the bill number, name of items, rates, quantities, and complete all the entries by repeating this process. To calculate the amount for each item, use the formula equals, open parenthesis, rate multiplied to the quantity. Then hit enter. Select the cell that contains the formula. Hover the mouse over the lower right corner of the cell. Click and drag the fill handle until all the cells you want to fill are selected. To total the amounts, select the cell next to the numbers you want to sum and click Auto Sum on the Home tab. When you click Auto Sum, Excel automatically enters a formula to sum the numbers, then press Enter. To calculate the GST percentage, press equals, select the total, then multiply by 15%, then hit Enter. To calculate the grand total, press equals, select the total, minus the GST, then hit Enter. Highlight essential sections such as the bill number and item details using background colors. Ensure a well-organized and visually appealing layout. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.